So cover me, and then I'll cover you.
What's up guys, today I'm going to be doing a breakdown of this hyperlapse effect where it kind of gives the illusion that it's coming through the walls and the doors. I'll actually put these raw files in a download folder so that you can download them and try this out for yourself if you want to follow along. Then I'll leave the link below. So this effect is made up of several video clips where I have kind of filmed walking up to a door or walking up to a wall through an alley. So this is one for example. This was shot on a gimbal at walking pace and I go right up to the door. I just repeated this several times and also like a couple through some alleys and walkways. These were shot on a gimbal, but you could probably do this handheld, just shoot a bit wider and then stabilize them afterwards. Okay, so the first step, what I'm going to do is bring this video clip into my timeline and I want the effect to come backwards from the door. So what I'm going to do is select it, go here and click reverse clip. So now it's coming backwards. The next step is to speed it up by 20. So I'm just going to select the clip, press Command R. It's going to bring up my speed timeline here and I'm going to go to reverse fast times 20. So now we get this super fast clip. I might just slow it down very slightly. And I'm just going to repeat those steps on the rest of my video clips. And a quick way to apply the same effects on this clip to this one is I'm actually going to select this, press Command C to copy the settings, select my next clip, press Alt Command V, and that's just copy and pasted the exact same settings, the speed and the reverse onto that video clip. So now we get something that looks like that. I'm just going to repeat that for the rest of my video clips. Okay, so I have all of my video clips lined up. The last step is to add motion blur. I'll leave a link to the motion blur plugin down below and also a tutorial on how to use it. It's a title plugin. And I'm going to use moderate motion blur free and just overlay this on all of these sped up bits. And this motion blur plugin is going to add that really cool blur effect to make it look like we're traveling really fast through these hyperlapses. Okay, I'll render that out and let's have a look at the final product. Cool, and there you go, there's the effect. You can also select all of these and turn on stabilization if you want to make it extra smooth. And you can also go back and select these, press Command R to change the speed if you want to speed up or slow down any of the video clips. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this one. If you like the colors from the intro edit, I was actually using this LUT called Marigold. It's from my new LUT pack that I just released. I'll leave the link down below if you want to go check it out. And yeah, that's pretty much it guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this one and I'll see you in the next video.